Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you guys how to make a soft serve slime. The ingredient is clear glue, baby oil, clean and clear, hand sanitizer, and a borax solution, spatula and a bowl. So let's get started. First, you pour your clean and clear into your bowl. And then you pour your hand sanitizer. Sorry, the sun comes. And then you pour your glue inside the bowl. And then you mix until it's being so soft, so bubbly. And then you put your baby oil inside. This is a little bit for it's more unsticky and glossy. And then you put your slime activator. And it's gonna be a slime. I really love it when it's turned like this. So the final texture is this. This is so soft, and this is so soft. So the final texture is this, and I wish you all love my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Press the like button. So